Hello, today I am going to tell you about how to create a class or how to schedule a course in VizIQ. For this you need to first log into VizIQ. It will ask for the subdomain because we have logged in by using we have to be an instructor to create a class, and therefore we have created our account, or we have been added by the Academy Integrating Technology. So technology. So I just log in using this. Yes. So here we can see here courses. I click onto the extreme left hand side and then I can see here courses or the live classes. Now if I want to create a live class, I will just click onto live class and then I can click onto this green button. So once I click onto this, I can see here title. So I'll first add title of my class. So title of my class is Mind, Body and Soul. Let us say it is 2, second class. Subtitle is Staying Healthy. Yes. Now I have to set the current date and time for scheduling the class. So I just click onto this and select the date. So I'm keeping it as today's date. Let us say it is 27. Okay. I have to decide about the time. So the time is, I'll just keep it as it is, 2 hours and 25 minutes. So it is PM. So this is how I select the time. I've set the current time so that the class will be active, and then I have to decide about the class. So here I can write how to stay healthy during lockdown. Okay, so that is the description about my class. Now who can attend? All the visitors and registered users of this academy, or only the users you enroll. So you can select accordingly whom you want to attend the class. Record this class, so you can click yes or no about whether you want to record the class or you do not want to record the class. So right now I don't want to record the class, so I have clicked no. So schedule and continue. So I just click this schedule and continue. My class will be scheduled. Yes. So the class Mind Body has been created successfully. Please refresh the class page to view the live class in this class list. Thank you. Yes. So this is how I can create the class. So if you want to create the course, you can click onto the course. So it is showing no active course to display. So if you want to create the course, just click onto this plus sign. Create or schedule a course. Yes. So whether you want to have a free course or a paid one-time purchase, so you have to, whatever you want to click, you can click accordingly. Course will be visible to all the visitors, only the registered users, or only the users you enroll. So accordingly, you can select here. Add co-instructor. If you want to add the co-instructor, you can add co-instructor. Anyone from the academy, you can add as a co-instructor. Then enforce sequencing and enable discussion. So if you want to have discussion during the classroom, you can just click on to enable discussion. Then we go to the next. So I have to add a start date of the course. So I take it as 27th of April, and then I have to add the end date of the course. So let me make it as a 4 days course. So I will make it as a 30th of April, and then I click as save. Yes, confirm. Okay. Then I have to write the course title. So my course title could be Methods of Determination of Food Adulteration, and then save draft. So I go to next. It is taking time to. So as and when I click on this, the course will be scheduled, and then it will be available for the viewers to view. So I'll just go back from here, and then we can see the courses. So active courses, past courses, and draft courses. So let me check whether my course has been created. Yes. So methods to determine the food adulteration, it has been generated or it has been created over here. So that is how I create a course by using WizIQ. Thank you.